Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Short problems we have seen in the last class. Okay, so today we'll see acquisition of business, journal entries problem we'll see. We learned journal entries. How many journal entries are there? 3 journal entries. One is purchasing of business. Second one is assets and liabilities are taken over by the purchasing company. Third one is making payment to the vendor. 3 entries, simple 3 entries. So based on 3 entries, so we'll work out one problem. Just we are going to write the journal entries only. Basic problem. If you understand, then we can go for essay problem with balance sheet. Journal entries anyhow we have to pass. After that we'll be opening the balance sheet. Now today we'll see journal entries how to pass. Problem is given on the desktop. You can take a screenshot or note down. So first let me read the problem, then after that I'll explain. The problem is given: ABC Limited acquires a business from A and B. ABC Limited is acquiring business from A and B. A and B is here vendors. Who is purchasing? ABC Limited is purchasing on the basis of the following balance sheet. Balance sheet is given to us. What is this balance sheet? See, balance sheet, asset side, plant and machinery, land and building, stock, debtors, cash at bank is given. And on the liability side, capitals of A and B means partners. A and B's capitals, creditors. Downside of that, what they are saying, the business was purchased for 2 lakh rupees and the purchase price was satisfied by the issue of 10,000 equity shares, 10 rupees each, issued at premium 5 rupees per share and the balance in cash. Show the entries in the books of ABC Company Limited. First line you see, the business was purchased for 2 lakh rupees, means purchasing price is given. In every problem, purchasing price will be given to us. So we got the purchasing price and the purchasing price was satisfied. So how they wanted to make the purchases? Through the equity shares. Equity shares they wanted to pay 10,000 rupees at the rate of 10 rupees each and premium 5 rupees per share. Okay. So in this mode of payment they wanted to do. First of all, we know that 3 entries we have to pass. First entry is for purchasing the business. What is the entry? Business purchases account attached to vendors account is the first entry, right? So date is not given, so I'll write only one. Business purchase account attached to, you have to by heart along with me, business purchases account debtor to vendors account. Who is the vendor here? A and B. A and B's account. How much is the purchasing amount? 2 lakh rupees. Okay. 2 lakh rupees. Isn't it? You can say being the purchase consideration agreed upon. Being the purchase consideration, you write it in full form. Purchase consideration agreed upon. First entry is over. Second entry is assets and liabilities taken over. Now if you see, all the assets are taken over by the company, purchasing company. When assets are taken over, assets account debtor to liabilities account to business purchase account. Second entry. Did you remember? No, according to that, first we'll write assets. Assets are how much? Different assets. All the assets will write it separately. Various assets account debtor I said, right? So various accounts. What are the various accounts? Plant and machinery account debtor, land and buildings account debtor, stock account debtor, debtors account debtor, cash at bank account debtor. All the assets will write. Cash at bank account debtor, amount 75, 35, 40, 75, 35, 35, no? So 35, 40, next 25 and 5. All the assets total is how much? 1,80,000, you know. Just I'll write it here roughly. 1,80,000. Liabilities, you will not touch the shares. Shares will not touch. Apart from the shares, any other liabilities are there, that liabilities we are taking. Now here, apart from share capital, we have only one liability. That is creditors. Creditors amount is how much? This is assets amount. And liabilities, what do we have? Only creditors. Creditors amount is 40,000. Okay. We'll write here to creditors account. Creditors are here how much? 40,000. Creditors, and also we have to write to business purchase account. This was debit to credit purchases account. Creditors are 40,000. Business purchases amount is 2 lakh rupees. So if you see, debit side amount is this much, 1,80,000, and credit side amount is how much? 2,40,000. Which side is more? Credit side is more. How much it is more? 60,000. 2,40,000 minus 1,80,000 comes to 60,000. 60,000 is more on the credit side. Debit side it is less. Whenever debit side there is less, we'll say it as a goodwill. Debit side, you will say here, I left a little bit of space, because where we are going to get the difference we do not know. If debit side amount is less, we'll say debit goodwill account at R. If at all, this is say 2,80,000 example. Total assets amount is 2,80,000. Liabilities amount is 2,40,000. Assets are more, no? Credit side is more, less. Debit side is more, 2,80,000, assuming. If it is 2,80,000 debit side, then credit side is less. The difference comes on the credit side. Credit side will say capital reserve. Debit side is less means we say it as a goodwill. If the difference comes on the credit side, balancing figure, assume it as a less means balancing figure. If debit side comes the balancing figure, we say it as a goodwill. If balancing figure comes on the credit side, okay, balancing figure, assume it, very easy to remember. Credit side, if the balancing figure comes, then we say it as a capital reserve. Please remember this. Now here which side is less? Debit side items are 1,80,000, credit side is 2,40,000, means debit side is less. Debit side is less means we say it as a goodwill, to goodwill account at R. What is this? This is balancing figure. How do you got? This 2,40,000 minus 1,80,000. This total is 1,80,000. So 2,40,000 minus 1,80,000 comes to 60,000. 60,000 we are saying. Okay. So this is second entry. You can say it as a being assets and liabilities taken over. We learned already. Same entry. Being assets and liabilities taken over. And the third entry is payment. How do you want to make the payment? So to whom you are making the payment? To the vendor. Vendor's account at R, to mode of payment comes on the credit side. Okay. So vendor is here, A and B. He is receiving. So A and B's account at R. How much he is receiving here? 2 lakh rupees. Purchase amount, purchase consideration, only the payment. So how do you want to make this payment? This is 10,000 equity shares at the rate of 10 rupees each. Means mode of payment comes on the credit side. 2 equity shares. Equity shares account. 10,000 at the rate of 10 rupees each. 10,000 shares at the rate of 10 rupees each. Comes to 1 lakh. So out of 2 lakh, we are making payment through equity shares 1 lakh. Then after that, premium for 5,000. Premium 5,000 to what do you say? Securities premium account. How many shares are there? 10,000 at the rate of 5 rupees. 10,000 into 5 comes to 50,000. And the balance in cash. Balance means how much? 2 lakh, out of 2 lakh, 1,50,000 paid off. Rest of the amount is 50,000. 50,000 is we are paying through the cash. So cash account, 50,000. Being payment made to vendor. Made to, you can say it as A and B's account. A and B's account. B's. Simple. That's all. 3 are the journal entries. Let me give you a recap. Screenshot also not required. It's here only. Nothing is there. So what you have to do is you have to remember only 3 entries. One is purchasing, purchase consideration, business purchase account attached to what do you say? Vendor's account. Business purchase account attached to vendor's account. This is purchase consideration amount. We are not paying it. Purchasing, for purchasing. Okay. So after that, assets and liabilities are taken over. All the assets are taken over debit side. All the assets, whatever is given in the balance sheet, all the assets one by one we have written. And the credit side, except shares. Shares we are not supposed to. Rest of the liabilities means we found only creditors. So creditors are written here. Assets account, what is the entry? Various assets account attached to liabilities account to business purchase account. We learn na? So business purchases. Business purchases, this amount comes on the credit side. Now you have to balance this journal entry. Asset side total is 1,80,000. Liability side total is 2,40,000. Asset side is less, na? So 2,40,000 minus 1,80,000, which comes on the debit side. So if comes on the debit side, you'll say it as a goodwill. If at all debit side is 2,80,000 more, liabilities credit side is less, then the difference comes on the credit side, balancing figure. That is, we say it as a capital reserve. In this problem, we have difference on the debit side. Balancing figure comes on the debit side. So we say it as a goodwill. Goodwill account debtor. Rest of the entries okay. Narration is being assets and liabilities taken over. Third entry is for making the payment. 2 lakh purchase consideration we know. So this we are paying. How we are paying? Last paragraph they have given. We are paying something through the shares and also through the share premium and rest of the amount through the cash. For purchase consideration, when we are making the payment, debit the receiver. Who is the receiver? Vendor. Vendor is A and B's account. A and B's account attached. How you are making the payment? Through the equity shares. Equity shares, they said 10,000 shares at the rate of 10 rupees, which comes to 1 lakh. And also securities premium you are issuing. Securities premium 10,000 shares at the rate of 5 rupees each. 10,000 at the rate 5, it comes to 50,000. And rest of the amount is cash. Rest of the amount means 2 lakh minus 1 lakh 50. It comes to 50,000. This is paid through the cash to cash account. Being payment made to A and B company. Okay, that's all. Simple journal entries we have learned today. Next problem, a little bit lengthy problem I'll take. Journal entries, along with that balance sheet also we need to prepare. Get ready, but be perfect whatever we have done so far. Write the notes also very clearly, so it will be easy for you to understand. Stay connected, check out the playlist. There are many subjects already covered, and don't forget to share this video. Stay connected. Good luck.